In the rapidly evolving world of electric bicycles, a new breed of machines has emerged that seamlessly blends advanced technology, uncompromising performance, and unparalleled riding comfort. Bidding farewell to the constraints of traditional chain drives, these 5 exceptional belt-driven e-bikes are poised to redefine urban mobility and outdoor adventuring alike. The current e-bike combines cutting-edge technology and comfort to deliver an exceptional riding experience. Featuring a rust and grease-free carbon drive belt, the bike's belt drive system not only manages torque more effectively than traditional chains, but also ensures durability and minimal maintenance, offering a smooth and reliable ride. Paired with a powerful 500-watt mid-drive torque-sensing motor providing up to 140 Nm of torque, the current e-bike effortlessly handles urban traffic and rugged terrains alike. Its integrated 500 watt-hour battery offers a practical range of 20 to 50 miles in pedal assist mode, ideal for both daily commutes and weekend adventures. Riders can choose between a Shimano Inter 5 internal hub or an enviolo heavy-duty hub, both tailored for e-bikes to minimize upkeep. Hydraulic disc brakes with 180 mm rotors provide robust stopping power in any weather, ensuring safety and control. The bike's mid-step frame design enhances accessibility and comfort, while integrated lights, automatic front and rear, ensure visibility and safety during night rides. With features like front and rear fenders, braze-ons for accessories, and plush 650BX 47mm tires with puncture-resistant membranes, the current e-bike is crafted to deliver a luxurious yet practical cycling experience, perfect for navigating varied urban environments with ease and confidence. The Tenways CGO009 electric bike stands as a pinnacle of innovation and performance in 2024, renowned for its exceptional features and meticulous design. Boasting a sleek modular framework that enhances reliability and simplifies maintenance, the CGO009 integrates seamlessly with the Tenways app, offering 3 years of free live data communication service for smart connectivity. Its Tenways C9 motor operates whisper quietly yet delivers robust power with minimal resistance, ensuring effortless riding whether in power mode or not. A portable 374 watt-hour battery housed within the down tube guarantees clean, dependable power across extensive riding distances. The bike's stylish design features clean lines, concealed cables, and hidden bolts, embodying modern aesthetics and practicality. Intuitive controls provide effortless management of bike functions and essential feedback, complementing the CGO009's cushioned comfort, upright riding position, and enhanced shock absorption for a smooth journey. Crafted with premium components like Gates CDX Crankset, Gates CDN carbon belt, hydraulic disc brakes, and a Cell Royal saddle, the CGO009 ensures durability and safety. With a top speed of 25 km per hour and a maximum range of up to 85 km, the Tenways CGO009 redefines urban mobility, offering an unparalleled riding experience that blends sophistication with cutting-edge technology. The Ride1UP Prodigy V2 LX electric bike excels in delivering an enhanced riding experience with its robust specifications and innovative features. Powered by a 750-watt Bafang mid-drive motor, it offers ample torque for diverse terrains. Complemented by a 48-volt 14-amp-hour lithium-ion battery providing a range of approximately 30 to 50 miles depending on conditions. Its lightweight aluminum frame ensures durability and stability, while the backlit LCD display furnishes essential ride metrics such as speed, distance, and battery status. The 9-speed microshift advent drivetrain ensures smooth gear transitions, supported by Tektro hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping power. Equipped with 27.5-inch by 2.4-inch Kenda Quick 7 Sport tires and a Sunter XCM suspension fork, the Prodigy V2 LX delivers a comfortable ride over varying terrain. Notably, it features a Gates carbon drive belt system for quiet, low-maintenance operation, alongside a continuously variable transmission, CVT, for seamless gear adjustments. A torque sensor enhances responsiveness by dynamically adjusting motor assistance based on pedal input. The Prodigy V2 LX cementing its reputation as a standout choice for riders seeking performance, comfort, and reliability in an electric bike. The HILAND Formula electric folding bike is an ideal choice for urban commuters seeking convenience and performance. Featuring a compact design with a lightweight magnesium alloy frame, it is easily foldable for effortless transport and storage. Equipped with a powerful 250-watt inner rotor motor and a 36-volt 10-amp-hour Samsung battery, the bike achieves speeds up to 20 miles per hour and offers a range of 40 to 60 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for daily commutes. Safety is prioritized with integrated LED lights and reliable disc brakes, ensuring secure riding in urban environments day or night. The bike's low-maintenance belt drive system enhances its efficiency and provides a quieter, smoother ride compared to traditional chain drives. Designed for versatility, the HILAND Formula electric folding bike combines eco-friendly transportation with practical urban mobility, catering to the needs of adult riders looking for a reliable and stylish electric bike solution. With its quick charging time of 4 to 6 hours and Shimano through axle transmission, this bike exemplifies efficiency and convenience for urban dwellers navigating bustling city streets. The specialized Turbo Como 4.0 IGH embodies comfort and functionality with advanced features tailored for a relaxed riding experience. Equipped with Drytech fenders, LED front and rear lights, and a robust 27 kilograms capacity rear HD rack, it offers versatility for urban commuting and leisurely rides. Compatible with child bike seats and through-axle trailers, it accommodates various family biking needs. The Mastermind display provides comprehensive ride information, while the fully integrated, removable, and lockable 710 watt-hour battery powers the Turbo Full Power 2.0 motor, delivering seamless and silent assistance up to 28 miles per hour. The enviolo TR internal gear hub ensures smooth, stepless shifting akin to adjusting volume on a radio, enhancing the bike's user-friendly design. Constructed from E5 aluminum with internal cable routing and front rack mounts, the bike features a SR Suntour Mobier 32 fork with 80mm travel and lockout, ensuring a comfortable ride over varied terrain. SRAM-level hydraulic disc brakes offer reliable stopping power, while specialized components like Gates Carbon Drive CDX system and body geometry comfort gel seat further elevate comfort and performance. With its meticulous design and robust specifications, the specialized Turbo Como 4.0 IGH stands out as an ideal choice for riders seeking a blend of comfort, versatility, and powerful electric assistance. So, which electric bike suits your lifestyle best? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below, and explore the links in the description for comprehensive details and current pricing. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this overview helpful, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest innovations and reviews in the world of electric bikes.